Dobson's is one of the UK's largest gasket manufacturers, and has been in business for 6 decades producing gaskets for clients worldwide. We produce gaskets for a wide range of industrial markets from our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. From the most commonly used to the highly specialized, we supply a huge range of materials to meet requirements, and our materials conform to all recognized standards. Our manufacturing process begins with planning out the gasket in computer-aided design software. We then transfer those plans to our wide range of precision cutting machinery. Our water jet cutter can cut a massive range of materials extremely quickly, with incredible precision. The laser cutter cuts out complex metal gaskets cleanly, and with a high level of accuracy. Our digitally operated knife tables cut a wide range of materials, for fast, efficient and economical production. We also use a range of other machinery, including presses, lathes, spiral winding, and traditional hand tooling. Our gaskets are used in a wide range of sectors, including food, steam, marine, environmental, oil and gas. With our extensive expertise and a thorough understanding of each sector's distinct requirements, our skilled team understands the importance of selecting the right gasket. With over 60 years' experience, we can be relied upon to find the right gasket for you.